Reed.
They look so scared. Oh, that's actually kind of high up.
Me first, me
Should we
first.
throw rocks at them?
No. There's a beer bottle in there.
So it's gonna be fun getting up there.
Never mind, I might not show this to my mom. She might kill me for coming here.
Yeah.
We made it! Aren't you glad I brought the toilet paper?
Yeah. Let me just climb this large pipe.
Fucking Jesus Christ. Oh, I slid, I slid, I slid.
I could have caught you, but I didn't.
I told you, this is why I hate hills. I got that on camera though, and that makes me really excited.
That's good. Let me brush you off.